On 22nd February 2568, the American classic car brothers and sisters called America Gang came together for the 18th anniversary. The event was held on a private yard in front of the Kundan Dam in Nakhon Nayok.
What? Save money, buy a car, customize it. What? Save money, buy a car, customize it. ออกเดินทางกับรถคันเก่าเปิดปีเครื่องทงคำรามบนถนนออกบันทึกความทรงจำจุดหมายทะเลและภูเขาดื่มเบียร์เย็นๆดูพระอาทิตย์ตกดินกับรถคันเก่าเพื่อนรบที่รู้ใจพาจำสมบัติเพื่อที่ได้ไกลบันทึกถ่ายภาพความทรงจำดีๆเก็บไว้อยู่ในใจตลอดไปแสนนาน And we will be back again with American cars in the next city YouTuber American ทำงานเก็บเงินซื้อรถแต่งรถ Work save money buy a car customize it Work save money buy a car customize it Save money, buy a car, customize it.
K and a card. They both folded up with sorry one. A car of Kamkau and the board. Jamaica money, buy a car, customize it.
ลูกหลานอเมริกันเรานะครับอ้าวมีอะไรพรสติ๊กเกอร์ขอบคุณครับขอบคุณมากครับ
To get to anywhere, maybe we'll make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me myself, I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car, I got a plan to get us out of here. I've been working at a convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs. Probably see what it means to be living. You got a fast car, fast enough so we can fly away. We're gonna make a decision. Live tonight, die this way. Driving your car, speed so fast, felt like I was drunk. City lights say out before, city all felt nice, wrap around my shoulder, and I had a feeling that I belong. I
ความทรงจำดีๆเก็บไว้อยู่ในใจตลอดไปแสนนาน And we will be back again with American cars in the next city YouTuber American ทำงานเก็บเงินซื้อรถแต่งรถ Work save money buy a car customize it Work save money buy a car customize it Save money, buy a car, customize it.
I've been getting king in a car. They bounce for it up with sorry one. I'm gonna come out and the board. You might get money, buy a car, customize it.